Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy, your trusted place to learn web development the right way. Support our content by subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting below. This is part 4 of your HTML Mastery series, List in HTML. In this lesson, we will learn how to organize content with ordered, unordered, and a description list. Today, you will discover how to structure content using HTML list, unordered, ordered, and description list, and understand when to use each with clear examples. This video is for HTML beginners, students, learning web development, or anyone who wants to present content clearly and cleanly using list. Let us get started and build some list in HTML. Follow along with the code and practice as you learn. List to help group related information. HTML provides three types: ordered list for numbered item, unordered list for bullet points, and description list for definitions or term description pairs. Ordered list use the OL tag. Each item goes inside a LI tag. The browser automatically numbers them. Great for steps, ranking, sequences. You can customize ordered list using type, start, and reversed. Use type equal A for capital letters, start is equal to 3 begins numbering from 3 and reversed counts down. Unordered list use bullets instead of numbers. Use the UL tag and again each item goes in a LI tag. Best for menus or unordered content. By default, unordered list use round bullets. You can customize this using CSS. Use list style type to change bullets to square, circle, or none. You can create nested list by placing a new list inside a list item. This is useful for categories and subcategories like front end and back end technologies. You can define multiple terms and their meanings. Each DT and DD pair works like a question and answer or item and explanation. Here is a quick summary. OL for numbered, UL for bulleted, DL for descriptive content. Remember that LI is used in both OL and UL. Time to practice. Use OL tag to list your daily routine, UL tag for a grocery list, and a DL tag to build a mini glossary. This will strengthen your understanding of each list type. In part 5, we will move to one of the most useful HTML features, tables. You will learn how to create and style data tables to organize information clearly. Enjoyed the video? Then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a lesson on HTML mastery.